Can a sneeze actually break your ribs? Sounds crazy, right? But the answer might surprise you. A powerful sneeze can send air flying out of your nose at over 100 miles per hour. That's a lot of force on your chest. Most people are totally fine, but if your bones are weak from osteoporosis or other conditions, a strong sneeze can actually cause a rib fracture. It's rare, but it does happen, especially in older adults or people with brittle bones. And if you sneeze while twisting your body, the risk is even higher. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, maybe don't twist too hard. Ever hurt yourself sneezing? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more crazy body facts.